As you all know that data science is the future in tech industry. Also, many of the students have started preparing for the data science domain. Guys, in today's video, I am going to share one of the best opportunity currently available in market in data science domain. So, which company is providing this opportunity? Is it internship or a job? All the details will be shared in today's video. So, make sure that you are watching this video till end. Hey friends, welcome again to our YouTube channel. Myself Shubham Shah. In today's video, I am going to share one of the best opportunity in data science domain. The opportunity is for the internship position. Newton School is hiring the data science intern. On which platform we have to apply, when to apply, how to apply, all the things will be covered in today's video. So make sure that you are watching this video till end and you are taking most of this video. Also, if you face any difficulties in applying for this position or any of the positions shared by our group, so please free to ask our team members. Our contact details are provided in the description, so make sure that you are visiting the description after watching this video. Also, I have recently created WhatsApp channel for providing more opportunity for you all, so you can also join it for free. So without wasting further time, let's go to my laptop screen and we will be carrying forward from it. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. As you can see that we are on the EduPath with Shubham Shah blog, where we have to seek the opportunity in the domain of data science provided by Newton School. So firstly, I will be glad to share that the stipend provided will be 20,000 to 25,000 per month respectively. The stipend will vary from the knowledge and skills, and it will depends upon total depends upon the candidate's performance. The duration will be 3 months, and the mode of working will be 7 to 8 hours per day. And the selected interns will have to start their work from 30 September 2024. And the openings are two. So if you are really interested for this position, then you can definitely apply. I will be sharing you this link on the video description. So make sure that after watching this video, you are applying for this. And the here office location is Bangalore, India, and skills which are mandatory from the company's perspective are: firstly, the candidate should be have knowledge in the machine learning, then SQL, Python, Excel, and Power BI. The skills which are optional are data structure and data analytics. Extra benefit along with the stipend are letter of recommendation based upon your performance, the certificate of completion of internship if you complete the tenure of internship tenure successfully, flexible working hour which is my all-time favorite, and you will you also be eligible for a performance bonus if you really perform well. Now let's talk about the requirement part. So firstly, the candidate is expected to have a good programming knowledge in Python, SQL, and Python libraries. Also, the he or she would be knowing Excel and Power BI. Candidates should also be work on any data analyst projects. So, if you are a student who have work on the real world project or have developed some projects in college, so it will be plus point for you. Good knowledge of statistic, machine learning, and should be aware about the deep learning. Not much high level, but all some basic beginner part. Should also have expertise in handling spreadsheet, that is our Google product, Sheets and Excel. Work on few data analysis projects, and should also have good aptitude, verbal and written communication skill, which is mandatory in not only for this position but also for the all of the opportunities. Now let's talk about the responsibility part. So the candidates will be working on the creating and solving problem or content relevant to the industry expertise in data analysis. The intern will be work on creating and evaluating project aligned with the industry expectation. Interns will also be roaming London for data analysis phase. He or she will be creating and reviewing placement interview content as per industry standard. So you know about the Newton School, so you can do more research about the Newton School, that companies in which domain and it will be providing which services. So you will be having more clarity about the company and this role. Assess the current proficient level of learner from placement batches and aid their interview preparation. Provide individual or group mentoring to the learners struggling with a specific concept or project. Monitor student progress and provide feedback to help them improve their skill. Data analysis and maintenance for the placement unit in data science. So this was the responsibility part. Now talks about the perks and benefit. So intern will be having an opportunity to work on something that really matters. If a fast-paced environment to learn and grow. Also, you are getting stipend up to 25,000 per month, which is really good. High transparency in decision making, high autonomy, freedom to take risks, to experiment and to fail. Market competitive salary, and if you are interested, then you can apply by using the link given below. If you face any difficulty in application process, or if you are getting stuck any at point, so you can feel free to ask our team. All the details including WhatsApp number are provided in description, so make sure that you are taking most out of it. We are providing this service for our viewers and subscriber, that they can really good, they will really grabbing this opportunity, and in future we will try to provide more service which will be helpful for them. So guys, please support us in our journey. Please like this video, please share this YouTube channel with your friends, so that we will getting more support from your side. I will be seeing in the next opportunity very soon. Please take care and bye.